Let's go. So question number 14. If this is equal to this, what is the value of k? So the bases are equal to, so we can just set the exponents equal to each other. So 3 times 4k is equal to 1 over 3 times 24. So 12k is equal to 8. So k equals 8 over 12, or 4 over 6, and 2 over 3. So the answer is B. Which of the following is equivalent to this for all positive values of x, and they are positive integers? So that's pretty simple. Okay, that's gonna be equal to b's root of x to the power of 2a. That's just a simple formula, and the answer is B. Question number 16. If x squared times y cubed is equal to 10 and x cubed times y squared is equal to 8, what's the value of x to the power of 5 times y to the power of 5? So x to the power of 5 times y to the power of 5 is equal to um, x squared times y cubed times x cubed times y squared. And exactly that's just the we just have to multiply those equations to each other, so we are gonna get this value. So x squared times y cubed is equal to 10, and x cubed times y squared is equal to 8. So the answer is 80. So that's it. See you in the next videos. Bye.